Inside the 2025 trial of John Doe, the evidence that changed everything. What happens when a hidden camera overturns the narrative in one of 2025's most controversial trials? In April 2025, businessman John Doe faced charges of second-degree murder after a dispute at his downtown office. The case seemed open and shut until an unseen piece of video turned everything upside down. Let's find out what really happened. John Doe, 42-year-old founder of Doe Investments, was arrested on April 3, 2025, following the fatal shooting of his business partner, James Smith, during a heated argument in their Phoenix office. Prosecutors argued that the confrontation stemmed from alleged embezzlement. They claimed John drew his firearm in anger and shot Smith at point-blank range. The defense, however, contended that Doe acted in self-defense, fearing for his life when Smith pulled a weapon first. At trial, the state introduced forensic evidence showing gunpowder residue on John Doe's hands and testimony from office employees who heard shouting. One witness, receptionist Maria Lopez, testified that she saw John exit the office moments after the gunshot. Yet the defense produced ballistic reports indicating that the fatal shot was fired from a distance consistent with self-defense. They called a forensic accountant who testified that company records showed Smith had been siphoning funds, providing motive for Smith to confront John aggressively. The trial's turning point came on day 6. The defense revealed footage from a malfunctioning ceiling camera that had been recovered by IT experts. The clip shows Smith brandishing a knife and lunging at John Doe. In response, John raises his gun and fires. This evidence corroborated John's claim that he shot only after Smith attacked him, directly contradicting the prosecution's narrative. After 10 hours of deliberation, the jury returned a verdict of not guilty. The judge declared that the prosecution had failed to disprove self-defense beyond a reasonable doubt. Reaction was swift. Some observers decried the verdict as a failure to hold the wealthy accountable, while others saw it as vindication in a case of clear self-defense. John Doe walked free on May 2, 2025, but the debate about use of force laws continued. Why did this verdict send shockwaves through the legal community? Arizona's Stand Your Ground law allows individuals to use deadly force if they reasonably believe they are in imminent danger. The recovered video provided the reasonable doubt the defense needed. Legal scholars note that this case may influence how digital evidence is handled in future trials and underscores the importance of comprehensive security system audits. The 2025 trial of John Doe shows how a single,